Thank you.
Okay, have a safe run.
We will. Thank you. Cheers.
30 seconds.
30 seconds. $20. 15. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 40, right 3 in, into left 2 plus, okay. 40, turn tight, hairpin left, don't cut. And flat right 3 long, don't cut, okay. 80 up, C. Right 3, don't cut, rough inside, and flat right 6 long, tightens, okay, don't cut. Into flat right 5, and middle of a flat crest long, 80, right 3 at tree in, with a tree, and left 6, half long, 40, right 4 plus carry, 40, 60 down, slowing hairpin left. And flat right 4, 40, flat right 5 in, okay, 40 down, left 3 half long, 80 down, left 4 opens long, and slowing care, turn tight hairpin right. And flat left 4, 100, middle through junction to short right 3 plus in, into left 3 half long, and flat left 5, flat right 5, sorry, 80C, right 5 long tightens past lane, into right 4 plus carry, into left 4 plus, okay, 40, stay left of a small crash into turn, sudden 1 right in, 100 down C, flat right 5 long, okay, 40 up, flat right 5 plus of a small crest, 40, right 3 in, opens long, into crest, 40 down, left 5, continues for 80, slowing, continues for 80, and slowing, and left 2 in, don't cut, 170 down, right 4 tightens into left, tight right 3, half long in, 40, flat left of a crest, 100, C, line to flat right 5, 300 up, flat left, into right 5, okay, and left 5 tightens past junction, into left 4 plus, into right 5 in, into down, left 3 long, in and line, and left 2 in, don't cut, slippy, 60, hairpin left, sorry, 40 down the middle, left 3, okay, 200 up, big push up here, middle of a flat small crest, and middle of a flat small crest bump, go 300, down, flat left, you can see it, into middle of a flat small crest, into middle through flat dip, 130, keep a lip, right 5, over small bump dip, watch this one, okay, and left into small crest bump, 100 crest into right 6, 40, middle of a small crest into right 5, tightens, okay, past the junction, into right 4, carry, 130, up, right 5, okay, and right 4 long, tightens in, and flat left 5, into right 4, tightens, after the junction, opens, tightens, 150 go, flat right 6 of a small crest, into left 4 plus, continues 100, tightened, into open left 2 half long, okay, line, 100C, right 4 long carry, don't cut, 60, left 5 in, right 4 in over small crest, past the lane, 40 down, left 1 plus carry, 450 up the middle, go, flat, chicane on right at the end of the 400, just on the crest, the second crest. .300 go, flat chat down here, mate, absolutely lit, flat over that crest and then 650, absolutely flat, keeper absolutely lit down here, no lift. Turn left 2. And turn right 1 long, tightens around the barriers. It's a fucking strange junction. And left 4 through the junction, 130. Left 2 plus in long. Go 100C. Flat left 6 and flat right 6, go 150C. Middle over, flat small crest long, 60 down, right 4 plus, carry okay. 100. Chicane at road, on right. 300 down, to flat right, go, 200 down, flat right 6, into left 6 to the junction, 130C. Right 6, half long in into left 2 plus. 150 over small crest to flat left 5, okay, go. 170, go. Left 5 in into right 4 plus. 60. Right 6 long through the finish. 80. Right 5 long. Oh, fucking hell. Didn't expect that bit of a at the end. Well done.